I'm 13 years old and I went to Khelo India and won gold medal.
For yoga.
And yes, it was a great opportunity for me to get selected to go to the parliament and give a speech on Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. And I felt very proud of myself because it was the first time I'm going and I'm the only kid who got the chance from Goa. And it's a great opportunity for my family also, and I felt happy that I made my family proud, and that's all.
How was your experience there in
So
Delhi? How
the
many days you stayed?
I stayed 3 days and the experience was brilliant. The food was good, the service was very nice, and they took us on a tour also.
Okay. And since when you have started your yoga? From when you started?
I have started yoga since 2019 ending, and after that there was a lockdown, so I practiced at home and got this much far.
How many medals have you got as of now? You got 2 silvers, I heard.
Yes. I'm not sure about that. Around 20,
Medals?
21, yes.
At 13 you got 21 medals.
Yes.
Congratulations.
And
Thanks
most of
a
them
lot.
are national medals. So yeah, she is very capable of doing a lot of stuff. And being her brother, I am very, very proud of her. That at such a young age, she was invited by NCERT. Like, it's a central government thing, not even a state government. The central government invited her to the Central Parliament House, which is newly built, and she got the opportunity to speak there. So the invitation itself is a big thing. And then when she got the opportunity to speak there, it just added up to the big event of the opportunities that she got. So yeah, we are very proud of her, and I just hope everyone wishes her best of luck. So she keeps on making everyone of us proud.
Manasvi, which school are you studying in now?
Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1. And my coach's name is Daul Vatar, and I would like to say he's the best coach in the whole India, and he teaches us really well, and from his support I got this far.
How much support you get from your parents and
A lot. Like, I can't even imagine how much support they give me, and it's really like, there is something that in my mind says, yeah, you have your parents, so you don't need to worry about anything, you're fine and all.
We're very proud of you.
Yes.
So how many hours you do yoga like every day?
Like every day 2 hours, like 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the evening.
thank you.
Thank you.
आणि माझे शोरू आप आहे मनस्वी दास तो आमचे गोवान लागून पहिले मारे नॅशनल मागीर खेलो इंडिया सगळे गोल्ड मेडल हाडले आणि तो आता आमकां इतले बरे खुशी जाले तो आता स्पीच दिवपा मारे पार्लमेंटान न्यू पार्लमेंट आता पळय मोदी न्यू पार्लमेंट घेतलो पळय तो ताका आपयलो आणि तो हांगासन दिल्ली गेलो दिल्ली येवपाचे वचपाचे सगळे गव्हर्नमेंट फ्री केलो आमचे गोवा गव्हर्नमेंटाक आमी बरे हे म्हणटा तो म्हाजे चेडू इतले वयर गेलो म्हाका अजून अशें बरें लागता म्हणून हांव कांय कोवपा हे जायना म्हणून इतले बेस्ट केलो तो पार्लमेंटान इतले बरे स्पीच दिलो पळय आमकां बरे हॅपी लागलो आनी लोक म्हाका सांगता तुजे चेडू मरे बाबा आनी वयर वयतलो म्हणून ताका लागून आमी